Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you where all the fuses are located, all the fuse boxes on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2018 2017. So if you're looking for the fuses, you're trying to locate them, we have a specific video for the fuses coming soon. But the first fuse box is like you need to open the hood, okay, and I'll show you where the first one is located. This one is the easy one. There is one that's a little bit hidden, okay, and you can see, okay, let me support the hood quick. Okay, this is one of the fuse boxes right here. So if you squish on both sides, here and on the back side, in, okay, you can pull the lid out. Okay, it gets stuck a little bit here, so we need to go again. Okay, like that. This is one of the boxes. You can see quite a bit of dust here. Yeah, and that's because it's not even insulated. So when you wash your engine, definitely be careful here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install the cap on this one. Okay, perfect. And now, one that's hidden, guys, is in the passenger compartment. Okay, right here, behind the glove box. So how you do that? You open the glove box. Okay, make sure that you empty your glove box, everything out of it. Okay, we have some relays here. So let's get everything out, and what you do, okay, on each side you need to squish in and pull out on both sides at the same time. Okay, so let me just set the camera here for a little bit. Okay, like that. So you can see we squish in here, so that stop can go here, and we can reach the fuses. Okay, they're all the way back there. You can see this is the second fuse box. If you cannot reach them, you can just pull the glove box. We have the video how to do that, but all we have to do pretty much just pull it now straight out. Putting it together, it's a little bit tricky sometimes, but it's definitely not too complicated as well. So now we need to squish in again on both sides. Okay, and that will be the whole procedure for all the fuses, guys. That's where they're located on Ford Fiesta MK7 and ST. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.